Colors raisa. Blue color.
My favorite color is blue.
What is this? Sticky raisa.
Pani ano pa nito?
Bucket raisa to ita. Sense na bowl raisa. Jargon raisa.
What's in my color?
Chemicals. Straw pa ni raisa. Wow.
Wow, so many bubbles. No, Dad?
Did you like the experiment, Eshanvi?
Yes, I really like it.
In today's experiment, what did we do? We poured some citric acid. We mixed citric acid with baking
soda.
Very good. And we had some colors, right?
Yes.
What are the colors that we had today?
Blue, yellow,
Right.
red.
Very, yeah. And we poured those colors into the water. Only 2 drops, right? Exactly. So we mixed that water in the mixture of baking soda and citric acid. Very good. So what was the reaction? Yeah, there was a lot of fizzy bubbles, right?
Yes.
So did you enjoy it?
Really.
Okay, correct. Next one. Okay.
This
That is Saudi Arabia.
right here.
Good job. Where's it?
Right here. Oh, I need this one.
Very good.
Bigger, bolder, faster. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum.
Holland.
Yeah.
India. No. Yes, very good.
My favorite country.
Yeah. We live in which country?
India.
Very good. Where's India? Look for India.
And I look all the way here.
Yes. Eshanvi, Egypt.
Okay, it's right there.
Very good. The last one, Eshanvi, China.
It's going.
Yes. Wow. All done. Yes. Wow.
Whoa! Look at the drizzly bubbles!
Yes, now it looks like a volcano.
Volcano!
Oh, that's lava.
Lava!
So what did we put, Eshanvi? Again we put
We put
baking soda,
baking soda,
citric acid,
acid,
oil,
oil,
and water.
and water.
Now look at the mixture.
And colors!
Yes.
Wow! We can also touch it!
Yes.
Wow, look at this ribbly bubble!
Ah.